Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy a house using Realtor.com. Buying a house can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't know where to start or how to narrow down your options. But platforms like Realtor.com make the process much easier if you know how to use them properly. Instead of randomly browsing listings, you can filter homes based on your exact budget, preferences, and needs, then connect directly with an agent. Start by opening Realtor.com. Make sure you're on the home page. At the top of the page, click on Buy. This will show different property-related options. Under the Buy section, click on Homes for Sale. Now the listings page will load with available properties. At this point, you have two options. Option 1. Browse directly. You can scroll through listings and explore homes visually. Option 2. Use filters. Click on the Filters button. A panel will open from the right side. Inside the filter panel, you can customize your search. Enter the minimum and maximum price to set your budget. Choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Select the home type, either a house, apartment, condo, etc. Select the home size, which includes the square feet and lot size. Choose the features as well, such as the interior and exterior features. Clarification. The more specific you are here, the better your results will be. After setting your preferences, click View Homes. Now you'll see listings that match your criteria. Click on any home that interests you. You'll now see detailed information such as property photos, price, property details, and an estimated monthly payment. Clarification. The monthly payment estimate usually includes mortgage, taxes, and insurance, but it's still an estimate. On the listing page, you may see an option to schedule a tour. This allows you to visit the property in person or virtually. To move forward, click on Contact Agent. You'll be asked to fill in full name, email address, phone number, and a message. Clarification. Your message should be clear and show your interest. Then click Email Agent. The agent will respond and guide you through viewing the home, making an offer, and completing the purchase process. Using Realtor.com properly helps you move from browsing to actually taking steps toward buying a home. To summarize, buying a house on Realtor.com involves going to the Buy section, selecting homes for sale, using filters to narrow your search, choosing a property, reviewing its details, and contacting an agent to move forward. This takes you from searching to starting the buying process. And that's how to buy a house using Realtor.com. The platform itself doesn't sell you the house, but it connects you to the right listings and the right people to make it happen. The biggest mistake people make is browsing without direction. You won't do that, you'll use filters, compare options, and approach agents with clarity. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.